Hey, what's up, fellas? Got a club car president here. I'm gonna plug in it don't run. I'm gonna plug in my Curtis handheld. When you turn the key on and put it in forward, it don't click the solenoid or nothing. Under the dash, there's a little port you can plug your Curtis handheld into. Now I see why. Now I see why the Curtis handheld ain't working. They don't have it plugged. They don't have that plugged in. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna plug my handheld straight to the controller. When you put it in reverse, you get a buzzer, so you know you got battery voltage. And I check the batteries. The batteries check good. So we're gonna plug in the handheld here and see what it shows. When you put it in forward, it don't click the solenoid, don't do nothing. I'm gonna say it's probably a controller bad, or the M core, which is the pedal switch. Now let's see what the fault code shows. All right, let's see. So we're going to diagnostics, hit select, present errors. I'm going to hit over, main coil open. And what that means is the solenoid's stuck open, so the car shuts down for safety. So you can't run over nobody. But I'm gonna go to monitor. I'm gonna hit select. Let's see, battery percent, 70%, speed this, throttle. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna turn the key on and put it in forward. Then I'm gonna hit the gas with my leg. Let's see, hit throttle. You see the throttle going up and down. That tells you that the pedal switch is working. That I'm hitting. All right, you see off. When I hit the gas, the throttle foot input shows on. So that shows the foot. That shows the micro switch is good. Keys on. When I got the key on, I'm in forward, which is what I am. Main contact. The solenoid is not even showing the main contact driver. All right, man, so that there tells me the solenoid's stuck. Change solenoid and the bad boy's up and running. Now the solenoid is up there somewhere. Oh, press the light solenoid, you just pick up on it. What you want to do this kind here, you just want to pick up on right here. Put your solenoid here. You want to just push up. Like that there. Push up. The solenoid's out. It's still a pain in the ass to change because they built the solenoid. They put the solenoid in first and then built the golf cart. But we'll get it, man. All right, man. Stay tuned, man. If you got any questions, let me know.